Shocked to see an attachment of earnings order on your payslip? Let's look at what it is, why you might have received one, and what it means for you. Once a court issues a county court judgment, a CCJ, against your debt, your creditor can apply for an AEO. This order allows your creditor to deduct money directly from your wages or salary and use it to settle the debt. If you receive a notification from the court along with an N56 form, it means that an AEO has been applied for. It's crucial not to ignore this letter. Instead, contact your creditor or debt collection agency and try to arrange affordable repayments to prevent the AEO from being granted. When an AEO is issued, the court may specify a protected earnings rate, a PER. This rate ensures that you have enough income left to cover your basic living expenses, such as rent, utility bills, and food. Your employer is responsible for making sure your take-home pay doesn't fall below the PER when deducted for the AEO. Make sure to provide accurate information about your living expenses to avoid the court setting the PER too low. Not all of your income is subject to the AEO reductions. Certain types of income are exempt, and no deduction should be made from them. These exemptions include disability-related pensions, adoption, paternity or maternity pay, tax credits, and your guaranteed minimum pension. When filling out an N56 form to be sent back to the court, you have the opportunity to try and stop the AEO. If the deductions from your pay would cause significant financial hardship, you can request the AEO to be suspended. Explain your circumstances, such as unemployment or inability to pay bills, and mention if you have sought help and advice regarding your debt. If you have already arranged an alternative repayment plan with your creditor, it might make the AEO unnecessary. The amount deducted from your earnings depends on how much you earn. In general, higher earnings result in higher deductions. If you believe your employer has been deducting too much, you can contact the courts to query the level of deductions. You'll likely need to provide proof of your earnings for any adjustments to be made. If you're struggling with debt, then there are a number of debt solution options available here in the UK. Some are free to use and others include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to learn more about the solutions available, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description below to get started and answer a few simple multiple choice questions, like the total amount of debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so that you can find out more and take steps towards improving your financial situation.